Hi, I am Vinoth Kumar, a procurement professional. Today, I am going to talk about my journey with IIM Trichy through this PGPBM course. First of all, I'd like to explain you about the purpose of me enrolling in this course. First thing is this is my dream comes to reality because I was always dreaming to do my MBA program from a premium institute like IIM. That has come to reality because of IIM Chennai campus, where I could do my MBA without sacrificing my work. That's the first thing. And second thing, I am almost reached the senior level position in an auto OEM in India. So now I could see where my professional journey can go and end. So to push me beyond that, I need a qualification from a premium institute like IIM. So I decided to do my course in IIM Trichy so that I can achieve a better position in my professional career. This is the purpose of me enrolling in this course. But before enrolling, like others, I was also having a big fear, or I was concerned because I'm going to do this program after almost 2 decades. Okay, see, I was really worried whether I'll be fit enough to take a formal MBA course after 2 decades of gap. But really, that's not a big issue. I could be able to excel well in my academic performance. And the second thing, I'm one of the senior most member in this batch. I was a bit worried whether my fellow students can accept me. But I'm thankful to my fellow students. They came from a different experience, different background, and different age group, and they gave me a different perspective of viewing things. Earlier, I used to see things only on the manufacturing perspective. I used to be more of stereotype. Now, after this course, I started seeing the things in a different dimension. Really, that's helpful to me. And finally, earlier I was really struggling a lot to balance my work life itself. But this study is another third dimension. I was really worrying now how I can able to cope up all the 3 dimensions of my life. Really, I'll be thankful to my family because they took a lot of my personal work in the last 2 years. So that really helped me to focus more on my course. So thanks for my family members. And today I am so happy. I am here in this graduation day. All my hard work and hard efforts has started giving some good results. We are going to receive our degree today. And I am even more happy because I am going to join a bigger family of IIM, that is IIM alumni. So I'll be looking forward to a fruitful engagement with these senior groups. So definitely I'll be getting maximum benefit out of my engagement with IIM Trichy. Thanks, really I enjoyed this program very well. Thank you very much.